Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I am back with a come thrifting with me today. I thought we would hit the charity shops and I'm going to take you to another area of South London and we'll have a look around. I'll show you some of my favourite charity shops and hopefully we will find some nice bits. I'm actually after something very specific today. I'm looking for a bowl that needs to be about this big and about this deep. I'm just sort of showing you, but roughly speaking, and it's for the solar water fountain that I've got for the roof garden. You might have seen on my Instagram story, I was playing around with it and I put it into kind of like a plant pot. That was too deep. It was just kind of doing a very disappointing kind of spurt. It wasn't the vibe. So basically I am looking for a container that would be perfect for it. So I'm thinking maybe like a nice ceramic fruit bowl, or maybe kind of like a shallow, maybe like an oven dish or something that I could upcycle, or even like a cake stand if it's got a bit of a lip on it to kind of make a bird bath with. I don't know, so we'll have a look around. That's what I'm after specifically, and then of course if I find any nice bits of clothes or homeware, then they might fall into my basket too. So I'm really excited to go to the charity shops with you today and take you with me. So I've just had my porridge, I've fueled up, I've got a coffee on the go, and I've just taken my multivitamins too. And before we head out, I want to say thank you to Ritual, who are sponsoring today's video. If you've never come across Ritual before, they are the obsessively researched and transparently made multivitamin, and they have vitamins to support everybody. So EFM is a multivitamin designed for just men, but they also offer a multivitamin for women, 50 plus, a prenatal, postnatal, and a teen vitamin too. I try to eat a balanced diet, but it's not perfect day in, day out, especially when I'm traveling and rushing around. And Ritual helps people fill in the gaps in their diet with no dodgy additives, fillers, or colorants. I take 2 capsules every day which provide 10 nutrients including vitamin A, D, omega-3 and zinc that are difficult for men to get from their diet alone. Ritual is a brand that I can trust because they're really transparent with the ingredients that they use and why they use them. So you can actually scroll through their website and have a really detailed look at where they source their nutrients from and why, and it also explains about their environmental impact too. They use 100% recycled materials. Their mailers are made from recycled newsprint and plant fibres, and they even use plant-based ink. The delayed release capsule design is gentle on an empty stomach, which can be really handy for any of you that maybe don't have breakfast or you just want to take your vitamins first thing. And they also have a mint tab in every bottle, so they smell really fresh too. They're vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, allergen-free, and they contain no added sugar. What's really handy is that these are on subscriptions. They can be delivered to your door every single month, so you'll never forget them. And they've recently launched a new symbiotic and protein range as well, if you want to check that out. So if you want to fill in the gaps in your diet with Essential for Men or one of their other multivitamins, you can go to the link in the description box. And Ritual are offering 20% off your first month by using the code Mr. Carrington at the checkout. And thank you again to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. Right, quick sip of the coffee and let's go thrifting. And into my backpack I'm packing a bottle of water, I'm taking my emergency banana of course, and I'm also taking an extra bag, one of these tote bags, because when you go to the charity shop sometimes they don't have carrier bags, or they might sometimes just have ones that are available for like £1 or £2, but yeah, take your own bag if you can, because often they won't have any plastic bags, and then you can obviously just throw anything that you buy into that. And I'm going to pack my umbrella because I think it's looking like it might rain later on. Oh, by the way, do you like the shelf that I've put up in the kitchen? So this was in the main bathroom, you may remember, a long time ago, and it got taken down while the bathroom's being renovated, and then there was no space for it up there, so I thought I would hang it here. It's a dumpster dive find, and yeah, I think it looks rather nice here in the kitchen, so I hope you approve of that. Right, anyway, I'll stop telling you about the new shelf and we'll head on out. So the part of South London I'm taking you to today is called Camberwell, and you can get there from central London in about half an hour. You just jump on a bus, you can get the number 12 or the 176, and Camberwell is great because it has some really fantastic restaurants. It's got a really good variety of food from all over the world, and also there are several charity shops here. I've actually been here before with Hermione, so I'll link that video in the description box where we had a good look around, went for a bite to eat in a place called Lumberjack, which is really nice if you fancy going for some coffee and some cake. week. And yeah, it's just a really nice place to have a little mooch around. There's also a fantastic plant shop here as well, which we'll pop into. So let's go and have a look around. This place called Moloko is a really nice vegan vegetarian restaurant. They do really lovely, oh sorry, it's a busy road here. They do really lovely juices. They also do some crepes, like savoury crepes as well, which are really nice. And it's really colourful too. But yeah, Camberwell is on a busy road, so apologies about the noise. There's also a fantastic fish and chip shop called Fladder, and then this place called Francesco's does amazing sourdough pizza, and it's really reasonable too. You can get a margarita for £7. And there's also some fantastic falafel shops here that are very popular with the students in this area, and you can get wraps and a drink with chips for £6. And there's another pizza place that I'm yet to try, but it's meant to be really nice, called Theo's as well, so that might be worth popping by if you fancied a bite to eat here. So first stop is Royal Trinity Hospice, and this is located in Butterfly Walk, and it says they've got trousers and skirts, buy two get one free. Not much bric-a-brac in that one, but they had lots of nice clothes. They had quite a lot of Hugo Boss stuff. I think it was all seconds. They were selling jackets in there for £10 each, which is really good. I resisted because I just bought a new jacket recently. But next stop is Cancer Research, which is just opposite. It's conveniently next door to Poundland as well, but I'm going to bypass Poundland and head straight into the Cancer Research.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
There's a couple of nice bits in there. I picked up a really nice top, which I tried on. I'll show you it in a little bit, and also a nice print too, but sadly not many bowls around. Not much bric-a-brac in those last two, so now we're going to head across the road to another one. So next up we're going to go into Scope.
We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
But I'm not having much luck finding this bowl. There was a Christmassy one in there that was kind of like the right size, but I think something really floral and a bit more fun would be a bit more appropriate for the roof garden. So I left that one, but I suppose I could always go back for it and maybe DIY it. But I think we can find something better. So the search will continue. We're going to head across the road now to a place called Crisis. That's a fantastic one that supports homeless people. And next door to that is the Nun Head Gardener, which is a really lovely plant shop. So we'll have a look in there too. How cute are all of these? The Venus flytrap and these little metal mugs. I think that's so sweet. And last stop, let's head into Crisis. Usually got some nice furniture pieces in here. Okay, I'm back. Let's show you everything that I picked up. I didn't get loads, but it was nice to have a little look around. And in the charity shops, I didn't quite find what I was looking for the roof garden, but I did find something that might work, so I'll show you that too. So, the first thing that I got, you will have seen me try this on in the changing room. It's this River Island top, and this was £6 from Cancer Research, and it's kind of knitted, but it's also very thin, so it'd be a nice one for layering, but I'm thinking like a nice smart one to tuck into some trousers. It's also ribbed, but tricky to show you on camera. Oh, there you go. So yeah, just a little button down neck with a nice collar. There's a tiny bit of burgundy in there, nice little detail. And yeah, it looks really long. On the hanger I thought, wow, that looks really long, but then when it was on, it was fine. And also when I tuck it into some trousers anyway, I think that will be spot on. So very pleased with that for £6. And then I also got this print while I was in there, and I just thought that this was lovely. And this is by Sir Terry Frost. It says Royal Academy of Arts, and it's called Vertical Rhythms Screen Print. And yeah, I just thought it's quite nice just in the card that it comes in the little mount to prop up maybe on the mantelpiece. I just thought that was really cool, nice bit of colour. Which way up do we think? The label on the back says it should be this way up, if you go by the label, but yeah, I guess it could go that way, or that way, or that way, or that way, who knows. But yeah, pleased with that. That was very good for £1.50. And then I had a little delivery as well. So a parcel arrived while I was out, and I've just opened it, and that was from Thrift Plus. So Thrift Plus are a company that I've used to sell some of my old clothes. So you can send off your clothes. What they do is they send you a bag, and you fill it up with some of your clothes that you want to donate, and then they will do all the listing for you, and then you can split the profit between a charity of your choice or various charities. Each item you can list with a different charity, and then you can also earn some points back with them. So I had a bit of money to spend with them, and I bought this top, which is a Topman top, and it's white with kind of red and blue stripes down it. I just got it in a size medium, and that was a £5 from them, so I just paid the postage on that. And yeah, nice way to get some new clothes in your wardrobe and also donate to charity and do a bit of a declutter all at the same time. So yeah, they're called Thrift Plus, and I recommend them if you don't want to be sort of listing things online yourselves. It might be a nice way to sort of earn some money to spend on other sort of second-hand clothes. Also, if you haven't got a charity shop near you, or the charity shops near you aren't so good, it might be a nice way to sort of buy some second-hand clothing if you're interested in doing that. So yeah, do check them out. And then the last thing I've got to show you, so I popped into the Nun Head Gardener and they had a little homeware sale on, and I spotted this tray which was reduced to £16, and it's metal. I thought we'd have a go out on the roof garden at turning this into the fountain, and if not, I've got myself a lovely big metal tray for 16 quid. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do give it a little thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here for brand new videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.